Man, I mean, do any of these faces look familiar? Definitely PNG. You see, I'm definitely PNG. There you go. There you go. There you go. Well, one thing about this picture right there, all of them kids are locked up now. We just watched this one get 20. This one right here going to court. He ain't looking too good. They offered him 35. They just offered this one 50. And they just gave that one right there 99. They just gave that boy right there 99 years. And the sad thing about it, this one here and this one here, they on the same. They on the same court. They on the same file. Boosie 4 right there. That's Boosie, cause y'all don't know who Boosie 4 is. Y'all heard I'm talking about Boosie 4. That's the baby Boosie right there. That's my baby.